morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday and we made a random plan to go on a trek, and we came by to a nearby waterfall. I don't even remember the name, but it's just 15 kilometers or 20 kilometers from the city, and this is how it looks. So we are already at the parking, and some of us had the breakfast and I just had coconut water. I have some snacks with me in my bag, and later if I feel hungry I'm gonna have it. So let's start the trek. So it is a Kanching trek. It is a 7-layer waterfall, and we made this random plan and we are here in jeans and shirt, and everyone is here with their trekking equipments and everything. I'm just gonna change in a pair of shorts and shirt. So there is a little park over here. There are a lot of monkeys and it's foggy and misty. The weather is amazing, and they have this prayer room. I just saw 2 prayer rooms, one for girls and one for boys. Oh, I even see a cute cat. The water looks very clean. And I see there's an off-roading track for the cars or something, I don't know. So this is the starting point of the trek. We don't know what to expect. बस फोटो में देखा था 7-layer waterfall पता है, बस एक इंस्टाग्राम में रील देखी थी, and we just came here. We have no idea कि how long the trek is or how difficult the trek is. In fact, we were not even sure कि यहाँ से वापस सिटी के लिए क्या फैसिलिटी है ट्रैवल करने के लिए. There is cab और buses. For sure there is no buses and metros. At least कैब्स है या नहीं ये भी पता नहीं था, अभी भी पता नहीं है. वो तो शाम में या आफ्टरनून में जब वापस आएंगे तभी पता चलेगा. Nice. I think there's a ramp as well for this trek. Going backwards. It doesn't look steep, but it is a lot steeper. 7-layer के waterfall में से ये शायद first layer होगा. I can see a waterfall over there. We need to go down. I had not expected such a beautiful place so close to the city. It's like 20 kilometers. It took us 25 to 30 minutes by the cab. I can see another layer of bridge crossing over there. We'll be going there shortly. The trees here are so tall. We are very close to that bridge we saw. Oh, there are a lot of monkeys. I should be very careful with the GoPro. They're gonna snatch it. इतना डर लग रहा है ना, कहाँ से कोई धक्का मारेगा पता नहीं चल रहा. The water is so clean. Oh, now I see the number of layers there. We're going to go this way, and there is a way crossing the waterfall again over there. I was just trying to open the bag to take out the waterproof case, and the monkeys heard the snack. So the whole Sena is here. I just wanted to shoot a underwater shot or something. Maybe at the end of this trip, I would want to swim here. Let's see how that goes. Continuing the trek now. नेक्स्ट वाला तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्टीप है yeah let's go to the next spot, to the next layer. I don't know which layer is this. Maybe third is over. Few more layers of waterfall. Look at the climb we have done, and this is how the trail is. There is a broken part in between, and again from there are steps. The steps are not ending at all, neither is the trek. The weather feels pleasant, but it is humid, or due to the activity I'm sweating a lot, but it feels good after a long time. Yeah. My friend thinks this is a difficult trek for me. Little does he know the amount of treks I have done and the level of difficulty I have done. यहाँ से स्टेज नहीं है. It's nature and us. चलो. Another waterfall crossing. There is a school trekking trip. This should be done in India as a trekking trip. All of them are coming back. Maybe there is just 2 more levels ahead. I took some underwater shots back then, and all the monkeys were around me. Maybe they were thinking this is a banana because it looks yellow, because it is yellow in color. Now the monkeys are nowhere around. शायद उनको इतना ऊपर नहीं आना है. वो बोलेंगे कि जो भी है स्नैक्स चुराना हम नीचे ही चुरा लेंगे. And I think this is the 6th. Oh, नाम लेते ही बंदा हाजिर. This is the 6th level, and I wish I had a digital camera to shoot all of this. GoPro is a very wide angle lens. It does not do the justice of this beautiful waterfall. The monkey has attacked my friend. Finally, the last layer of waterfall. जल्दी जल्दी खाते हुए इससे पहले मंकी आता है. So level 7 is down there. That's the last level. We have trekked all the way at this point. Want to swim down at the level 1. It was very pleasant. So let's see if that's possible. So we have come here. We are going to play a little in the water. There are people over here who have put the chairs near the river, and I even saw someone bring a floating bag. The water is super cold and it feels like I'm in ice tub, but it's amazing. So we just came out of the water, changed the clothes, had some snacks. Now we are heading down to the parking, and we'll see if we get some good food there. We'll have lunch, or we'll have lunch at our area. First thing, we are gonna try to book a cab from here. We don't know if cabs are available, and we don't know what's the other way around if cab is not available. So yesterday night we were planning for this trip, and we had no idea the transport available at this place, and we thought कि जो होगा देखा जाएगा. जाने के टाइम तो कैब मिल रही थी, तो कैब बुक कर लिए. अभी वापस जाने का we'll figure it out somehow. So we have reached the bottom of this trek. There are small huts for people to chill, and there's the water stream going along from all the ways. So I've just reached the parking from where we started this trek, and this is Kanchin waterfall, the closest one to the Kuala Lumpur city, and this is a third week in Kuala Lumpur, and we just wanted to explore some of the trekking places and see how it is. And we did not know what to expect, but it turned out to be beautiful. So that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed watching this, do let me know. Bye bye.